Hi everyone, it's Melissa Rogozinski with RPC Strategies. I am so excited to announce that we have finally released our ebook, The Proven Sales Email Codex. I've packed 18 years of experience, passion, and love in legal tech sales and entrepreneurship into this 30-page ebook designed to teach you how to craft compelling, client-focused sales emails that drive results. In the book, I discuss my 4 pillars of a modern sales email strategy: client personas, strategic account plans, the hunter's method for selling, process, and workflows. The ebook also comes equipped with access to 12 ready-to-use email templates for your business. They include things like LinkedIn connection requests, service and product pitches, follow-ups and reminders, referral requests, post-event follow-ups, deal closing, and handoffs. You're also going to get access to the 19 blogs and videos and success stories that I've produced that support the success of the sales email strategies provided in this ebook. You can download your free copy at www.rpcgrowthstrategies.com. Please like, comment, and share with your colleagues. And please follow RPC Strategies. You can also schedule a consultation with me on my Calendly link below or call 205-873-1234.